We got one of my cameras, high-speed cameras out here. We got a thunderstorm. It's pretty crazy. Wonder what it's gonna capture. Got some lightning that way too. This camera right here is about to die, but this one's got full battery life. So, yeah. You never know what I'm gonna capture, right? Ooh, what was that? Got it. Get you a little bit lower to the ground. Also gotta rotate, yeah. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Gotta save that clip. Wow. You could basically say that was on cue. I turned all three cameras on at that one moment. Amazing. Oh. Oh, there was two of them. How's the camera holding up? Yeah, it's doing fine. Got some lightning that way. And lightning that way. I wish I had two of these cameras. That way I could. That way I could just like enjoy it. Having two of them. Two high-speed cameras. Kind of cool, right? The battery on this camera is about to die though. The Canon camera. Sucks. But I'm gonna leave it recording for about a minute. So 1 minute. I'll leave it recording. Yeah. So that is what that camera sees towards that direction. And since this is on a pivot, I could rotate it to any direction I need it to go. So there's the lightning area that I want to observe. Then I could just turn the camera towards that direction. Supposedly there's lightning that way too. Rain keeps letting up like this. I'm gonna have to take it inside where it's safe. You know what I mean. Don't want the electronics to die. Whoa! That one was bright. Ah! Oh, it gave me a big one. I don't know where that was. It was like up above me. Ow! Shit! Now it's gonna start coming down! Like it was right on top of it. God damn it, there's a smear on the lens. That sounds like it's right on top of us. That can't be good. Ah! God fucking damn! Ah! Ah! Oh! Wow. Okay. Got that on video. I might have to move to the front yard. I don't know though. Depends on what Mom's gonna show me. Mama Nature. What do you got, Nature? Show me what you got. Whoa! Thank you, Nature. I cannot believe I was not recording that entire time. I'm disappointed in myself. Nah, just gonna hold you. I can't imagine a lightning bolt striking that power pole right now. Hey, that was a good one. Is this dry? It is. That's a shock. Get it? Lightning. Shock. Yeah. There's one good one, and that was out there. Alright, I'm going to leave you guys here. I'll be right back. Touch you guys up a bit. Sort of like that. We're gonna remove. I wonder what you caught, you beautiful camera, you. So should I just move to the backyard again?
Probably, because that's where I keep on filming. I know, it just went raining hard, huh, bud?
Yeah, it sure did. Yeah, it sure did. Maybe if I can get the stream camera to point west, that would be kind of cool. Let me get over by you. That was probably cool. There's a bunch of lightning strikes heading, shooting that way. Most of you guys don't know, the rain is really coming down now, really hard. Stay here, camera. Yeah, I'm getting nothing over here. Isn't that just shitty? Think I can make it? Yeah, I think we can make it. Alright, I'm back. We are now under the second patio of my house, located to the west. So, hopefully get some good photos. Do we have a signal? Yeah, we got a good signal out here. Oh God, that's bright. Set this down for a sec. By the way, this action camera has been lasting for a very, very long time. It's been almost like almost an hour. Whoa! Did you guys just see that shit? It was like way out there. Let's turn the camera to about there. Probably struck that person's house out there. Wouldn't have been a surprise. By the way, there's a house out there. If anyone wants to know. Oh! You guys see that one? No, I don't think you guys did. Here, you guys face that way. I'm gonna face this way. You guys face directly west. Oh. That wasn't really that cool. Oh, I missed that one, but you guys saw it. Ooh. Neato. I want to get a magnetic camera mount. Whoa! I caught that. On both cameras. Yes, the stream and the video camera. Woo-hoo-hoo! And on to the next segment. Oh, don't worry. The video camera can record for 2 hours and 30 minutes. You know what you want, mama? Woo! That one sounded closer, which means there's a supercell. Probably right near me. Not above, but near. And it can withstand a very high amount of temperature. I'd have been like, fuck it, stick it on the roof, bloop, right up there. Put a solar panel on that bitch, and just leave it up there. Just leave it. I mean, don't get me wrong, man. Some streams, some of the videos that I capture due to lightning is just atrocious. It's like, damn. Yeah. I feel like the storm has been moving a little bit more west. Like that way. I'm gonna turn off this camera. Is that it? Is the storm over? Yeah. Appeared so. It would be kind of cool to end the video on at least a conclusion to the end of the video. You know, this is the second day in a row with lightning, right? That was a pea shooter. Give me a real bolt. One that's gonna, like, turn off the electricity and power. You know what I mean, chat, right? You know what I mean. Well, a bolt of lightning that hits so damn hard that the power goes out. To the whole fucking street. Whole block. The whole city. You know? Hits so hard. Like, one time there was a bolt of lightning, and I'll put it up on the I'll put it up in the video later on YouTube. And there was a photo there. And that bolt turned off all the power in the area. In the whole city. I don't have the original video, but if I did, oh my god, I don't even know what the fuck I would do. I'd post that as a raw video. Yeah.